Hi, and welcome to our 24th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ. I am from Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today we're going to be reviewing adding a table. Okay, so I'm going to be reading to you from the Excel Handbook. Adding data tables. Sometimes, instead of a data table that can easily obscure the data points in the chart, you'll want Excel to draw a data table beneath the chart showing the worksheet data it represents in graphic form. To add a data table to your selected chart and position and format it, click the Chart Elements button next to the chart and then select the Data Table checkbox before you select one of the following options on its continuation menu. The first item with legend keys is to have Excel draw the table at the bottom of the chart, including the color keys used in the legend to differentiate the data series in the first column. The second is no legend keys. To have Excel draw the table at the bottom of the chart without any legend. More options. To open the Format Data Table task pane on the right side where you can use the options that appear when you select the Fill in Line, Effects, Size and Properties, and Table Option buttons under the Table Options, and the Text Fill and Outline, Text Effects, and Text Box buttons under Text Options and the task pane to customize any aspect of the data table. If you decide that displaying the worksheet data in a table at the bottom of the chart is no longer necessary, simply click the None option at the Data Table button's drop-down menu on the Layout tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about Excel. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allows you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs, it will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast for the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.